You ready to go get some fireworks?
Yep.
On our way to get fireworks.
Woohoo!
How much longer?
Yes.
About 8 minutes.
Ask for 8 minutes.
We're almost there yet. 3, 2, 1. We're here.
No fireworks discharged within 300 ft.
Feet. That means feet.
Oh,
I know.
300 feet. Yeah, you better be
that means
careful.
we're not allowed to buy them and set them off here in their parking lot.
No way.
Okay, here we go. Here we are at Phantom Fireworks in Tampa, Florida. We are going in to load up on our $1,000 gift card.
$1,000 in fireworks? Whoa, that's a lot of money. Yikes. I'm so excited. This is going to be so much fun.
Hello. Now we gotta find our wicked pizzazz.
Whoa.
Gotta find it. Mortars.
Lots of
I
fireworks.
love mortars. Ooh, yes, he's got a funky monkey. So,
Funky monkey.
yes, we're gonna grab a funky monkey, go put it in.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Nathan, I got funky monkey.
Funky monkey.
Got the funky monkey. Locked and loaded. Yeah. Woo-hoo.
What is these things?
Ooh, I don't know, but those look pretty cool too.
Love the swords. They're super cool.
I bet these people
On guard.
get this hit
On
people
guard.
like that.
Maybe.
Be fun.
Whoa, there's a hula hoop down there. Let's check it out. Super cool, Jonathan. I love hula hoops. Woo woo.
Nice. And one of our favorites is right here.
Ooh.
Are they heavy?
Careful, careful. Yikes, be careful, Jonathan.
Open that. Oh.
205 shot. Wow.
What is this?
Whoa, look at all these fireworks. Oh my goodness.
Did you get some Roman candles, Jonathan? Did you get some Roman candles?
Roman candles?
Yeah.
So many. That's super
So
awesome.
Dad, can we get this? I could probably like this. With this thingy.
Oh, dang, that's big.
Should I like that?
Whoa. That's ginormous.
I think it is meant to be.
Oh, it's a firecracker roll.
Woohoo, here we go. Look at all those fireworks. Yes.
Fireworks.
That's a lot of fireworks.
Get a free coloring book. Jonathan.
Yay.
I hope we can fit this in the truck. Never forgotten. Never
Nice.
forgotten. Locked
fit
and
it.
loaded. Barely legal. Heavy fuel, baby. This is a heavy one. The Legion of Fire. Fire! We're gonna feed them to the fire ants. Molotov cocktail and a bag.
Woohoo.
Now can rise it.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just got back from Phantom Fireworks, and here is Jonathan, and we are going to go over some of these fireworks with you. What do we got, Jonathan? Fiery frog?
Haha, love the frog.
What's that do?
Wow, guys, fiery frog. It does crackling. Its eyes light up when it gets bright, and it has a glowing mouth. How cool is that? It has gold and silver showers with crackles and red and blue stars. Wow.
Whoa. And what else do you got? A Molotov cocktail. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. I wonder what that does. Maybe Libby can tell us.
Yeah, he has a real Molotov.
Sure.
Yep.
Wow, that's super cool one. It has loud crackling bursts with long-lasting green stars into gold hanging willows and a crackled barrage finale.
Sweet. That sounds pretty cool. That sounds pretty cool. What else do we got, Jonathan?
What is this?
Happiness Fountain. What is that? What's that do, Libby?
Happiness Fountain, look at his eyes. He's kind of like the frog. His eyes will light up when it gets lit.
No way.
Yeah, he has titanium and blue crackle. And then he sprays, ending with a strobing light up eyes and mouth.
Ooh, that looks fun. Man, this is gonna be awesome, dude. What are these grenades? What do they do? Jonathan?
Grenades.
Huh?
Smoke grenades.
You just throw them and they smoke?
You don't throw them, well, you just like roll them probably.
Oh, cool.
Whoa.
Smoke grenades. Woohoo! Smoke grenades. Guys, that's awesome. Look at
Are
that.
they the real smoke grenades where smoke is instantly happen?
Probably. And what is this? Snowflake fountain. Dude, that looks rockin'.
Wow, a snowflake fountain. It has red and green stars throughout, with silver pine needles, gold crackle, and silver crystals.
It's snowing. It's snowing.
Falcon rising.
Oh, behind that we have a falcon rising. Dude, what's that do?
It's the falcon that rises.
Yep.
Woo! Yeah, I go 25 shots per hour.
Dude.
Falcon Rising is super crackling color bursts with a finale barrage, crackling dragon tail to multicolor bouquet with quickened 10 shots at the end. Wow!
You're upside down.
Upside down.
A funky monkey? Did somebody say a funky monkey?
Funky monkey. Yes, we're gonna grab a funky monkey, go put it in.
Yes.
What the heck? What does that do, Libby?
A funky monkey is a unique display. It has pearls and fish and flowers and crackles with green, red, and titanium. Wow, super cool colors.
Cool. Funky monkey. Hey, Jonathan, what's that on the ground? Right there, by your foot. The coral reef.
Wow. Look at all the colors.
Pick it up and let's see what it does. Libby, we have a coral reef. Jonathan picked out. What does that do?
Wow, coral reef, that looks super cool and colorful. It has a beautiful panoramic finale fountain with brilliant red, green, blue, purple, and white colors and multi-noise effects.
Whoa!
Super cool.
That is cool. Now what do we got over here? Look at, oh, Jonathan, mortars. I love mortars. I love mortars.
This one.
The Lock and Loaded is 24 hardcore mortars. Mortars shoot way up in the sky, don't they?
Yeah.
All different sizes and colors and shapes. And down here we have heavy fuel. Fandemonium, whatever the go is, and dude, look at that. Can you even pick that up, dude? The Legion of Fire. It's so heavy, you can't even pick it up.
Be careful.
Oh, okay. He did it. He picked it up. Dang. Here, I'll put this here. Can you set it up here? Oh, it is heavy. Now I know what they call it heavy fuel for.
Oh no, wrong way. Yeah.
We gotta tip it.
It's on my hand. It's on my hand.
All right, Libby, what does heavy fuel do?
Heavy fuel is a powerful repeater. Features a sky lightning display of red glitter comets to red flashing strobes and red glitter willows. Whoa!
Dang, bro.
That is full of fuel, all right.
It's gonna be the best day ever. Man, I am so excited for 4th of July. How about you, boys and girls? And I'll tell you what, 4th of July, celebrating our great Independence Day for this awesome country, the United States of America.
It's not Independence Day. It's 4th of July.
That's what the independent means, freedom, ladies and gentlemen. It's another word for freedom. And when we see all this smoke and all these bursts going up in the sky, it reminds us of all the wars and battles that we fought.
Oh, I thought it was just meant to be fireworks in the air.
Oh, that's the fun part.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'm so excited to show you all of these fireworks and how beautiful they are in the sky. But remember, safety first and safety last. Make for a fun day. Bye.
Fun day.
Yeah.